This is a spoon.
This is a spoon.
This is a fork.
This is a fork.
This is a knife.
This is a knife.
This is a plate.
This is a plate.
This is a bowl.
This is a bowl.
This is a cup.
This is a cup.
This is a napkin.
This is a napkin.
This is a mug.
This is a mug.
This is a kettle.
This is a kettle.
This is a teapot.
This is a teapot.
This is a tray.
This is a tray.
This is an apron.
This is an apron.
This is a whisk.
This is a whisk.
This is a rolling pin.
This is a rolling.
This is a jar.
This is a jar.
This is a frying pan.
Frying
This
pan.
is a frying
This is a
pan.
frying pan.
This is a grater.
This is a grater.
This is a peeler.
This is a peeler.
This is a chopping board.
A chopping board.
We know our kitchen
We
words.
know our kitchen words.
Yay. This is a bed.
This is a bed.
This is a closet.
This is a closet.
This is a desk.
This is a desk.
This is a chair.
This is a chair.
This is a drawer.
This is a drawer.
This is a pillow.
This is a pillow.
This is a blanket.
This is a blanket.
This is a sheet.
This is a sheet.
This is a teddy bear. This is a lamp.
This is a lamp.
This is a lamp.
This is a clock.
This is a clock.
This is a mirror.
This is a mirror.
This is a mirror.
This is a curtain.
This is a curtain.
This is a nightlight.
This is a nightlight.
This is a toy.
This is a toy.
This is a book.
This is a book.
This is a rug.
This is a rug.
This is a shelf.
This is a shelf.
This is a picture.
This